I'm Nathaniel Newscaster, and this is some breaking news. Because of deforestation, the government has officially outlawed all wooden pencils.
However, this new law has taken its toll on schools nationwide. Here's Superintendent Brian Troop with his thoughts on the issue.
So we are very concerned. This recent development causing us to not have any pencils is really troublesome. I'm not sure how kids are going to learn without any pencils.
Hello, Weaver Industries.
Hello, this is Billionaire Blake. I need a way to solve this pencil crisis. I know you guys can manufacture anything. We need to create a new type of pencil.
Yeah, we can make pencils.
Thanks. I'll be visiting soon to see your progress.
Weaver Industries is a third-generation manufacturer. We machine graphite, carbon, and carbon products. My grandfather started our business in 1954. My father cultivated the business, and my brother and I run it as owner-operators today.
A small company like Weaver Industries is very important to the local community, the economy. And as our company grew, we got into some very interesting projects. Did the world, the nation, went into outer space, things that I would have never dreamt of.
I did go right into the workforce right after high school. I love working with the people because we're here 10 hours a day.
As I started this job, I really took an interest in it. I like making the parts. It's cool to see the block that we start with and then the final product.
Manufacturing is actually in a process of resurgency. We went from one man in his basement to over 60,000 square foot with over 70 employees.
Breaking news, pencil crisis averted, thanks to Weaver Industries.
From private schools to entire districts, Weaver Industries is resupplying America with these new 100% graphite pencils.
And they work really well. Just ask Ephrata Middle School.
Pencil delivery from Billionaire Blake, thanks to Weaver Industries.
Yeah!